you will come across and is a is a common format of writing required in exams. So first you find yourself digging into a theme or topic and then coming up with an idea, analyze evidence, and then structuring an exposition. It is an writing that requires to examine a specific topic and given arguments. So there are some important kind of the steps which are required to write the expository descriptions. So first of all, select a topic and then write a thesis sentence. Then select a method of the development, organize your descriptions, write topic sentence, and first of all, because definitely in expository kind of the description, topic sentence is the fundamental sentence around which the whole supporting detail and conclusion must encircle around a certain kind of the topics, main topic या topic sentence. So write the body paragraph of this kind of the writing in a way to furnish a paragraph in a form of the description, and then you give the conclusion of a particular kind of the writings. So in a expository form you must be remain relevant. You must be remain relevant of your topic sentence. You must give whole detail, and you must justify the whole detail which is also encircling around a single point. So in this way, now the next one is that the reflective writing, exact scope of the writing should be clearly understood. So do not exceed due limits. Bring out all the points for and against clearly. So truths should be established, their application or otherwise to life should be explained. Conclusion should be justified. Give instances. Short and appropriate quotation may be used. Points should be illustrated by examples, references, and quotations. So such kind of the writings should bring forth original thoughts and attractiveness, attractive ideas. So in this kind of the writing in which you must keep your visions and also keep your central point very relevant to this. So as a whole we can say that you can also write something important and the relevant by keeping yourself relevant to the whole technique of this kind of the writing. So in a way such kind of the writing can also be considered as well determined and also devoid of the personal touch. You must follow all kind of the techniques which are very relevant in this way. So these are the basic writing techniques in which you can also write something, because definitely expository form of the writing in which you must give a topic in a form of specific kind of the idea. In a narrative techniques, descriptive techniques, argumentative techniques, and also expository techniques, and also characteristic techniques. So while you are also writing in a characteristic technique, so you must remain very close to the topic. So such kind of the topic can also be in form of the single personality on which you are also to writing something. So we can say that some students start writing any kind of the writings and find themselves lost in a subject. So there are other who always complain about a lack of the material and ideas and can hardly tackle half the points on the subject. So any kind of the writing must reveal the mental discipline of the writer, and thoughts must be put down in a orderly manner. So such kind of the writing should have artistic unity, a design and proportion of parts like a well finished work of art. The subject for any kind of the writing must be thought over a number of times, because you must carry out all kind of the techniques and the principle on which you are writing. If you are writing a narrative description, you must follow the techniques of the narrative description. If you are writing a characteristic description, you must follow the same. So just as you are also writing the argumentative description as well as expository description, so you must follow all kind of the rules and the regulation of a specific kind of the writing on which you are also going to write. So haste often makes waste, because such kind of the situation which can also become a very become a very boring one. So you always avoid and always avoid to emerges all these techniques with one another. So you must follow a specific kind of the rules while writing on a specific kind of the topic. So that's why the best side should be put foremost in the introduction of any kind of the writings, which will win the interest of the reader. So therefore careless handling of any kind of the writing often result in a form of the failure. So having carefully understood the right of the technique of the writings, the unnecessary material should be avoided, and also necessary material should be gathered. Human memory contains more than one is conscious, and one study of the several books by the different others on this subject and may be found to useful. So consultation of standard books is always desirable to write a particular kind of the subject comprehensively. So these are the basic techniques on which you can also write in a form of the description. So you must follow particular line of the subject and to find the conclusion. Thank you so much.